If you are a 491 visa holder and your relationship has ceased, can the secondary applicant, which is the subsequent entrant of the 491, can the visa be cancelled for the subsequent entrant because your relationship has ceased? Let's find out in this video. Hi, this is Nish from Professional Visa and Education Services, Immigration Lawyer. Now, this is a quite famous topic. What generally happens is the short answer to this particular question about whether or not the visa can be cancelled for the 491 secondary visa holder. Yes, the Department of Home Affairs can send you a NOIC, which is Notice of Intention of Visa Cancellation. Now, what's the likelihood of that happening in a 491 situation? Well, in the grand scheme of things, we have not seen too many of those NOIC from the Department of Home Affairs or intention to cancel the visa. But in reality, the Department of Home Affairs does have the power to cancel, and we have seen a couple of cases recently. Now, what to do in this particular situation is, when you receive a NOIC, you need to involve professionals, immigration lawyer or migration agent immediately, because that is your opportunity to defend yourself why the Department of Home Affairs should not cancel your visa. Now, even the visa is cancelled, you do have a right to apply for an appeal. Now, the recent case that we have won is we've been able to convince the tribunal member that how the secondary applicant is contributing in that particular state or territory this person is living, when it comes to the employment, when it comes to their contribution to the society, when it comes to their qualification, when it comes to the skills. And we were able to convince the tribunal member that the visa should not be cancelled, and we were able to win the case not to cancel the visa, which means we were able to retain the 491 visa for the secondary person as well. Now, what we did after that is, because the secondary person fulfills the 3 years requirement of living in a regional area, can individually apply for 191 visa. And that's the beauty of 191. Because when you apply for 191, it doesn't necessarily has to be from the primary applicant, or even the secondary applicant can fulfill the requirement of living in regional area and apply for 191. However, this video is important if you have received an email from the department saying you need to update your contact details, meaning they are looking at sending notice of intention of visa cancellation, which means they have been notified by the primary applicant that relationship has ceased. And this is your time to action it. Now, if you have received similar kind of notice, or if you are in the situation where your relationship is not working out and you're worried about your visa, this is your time to book in a consultation with us. We are more than happy to assist you in this particular situation because we have lots of experience in this area. Well, thanks for watching. This is Nish again from Professional Visa and Education Services. Keep watching and keep sharing with your friends and family. I'll be back again with more news in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.